like in the corner. I already know who it was. Hey, brother, where's Stormy Weather said. First of all, I talk about warming up, and then I go, oh, you don't warm up 2879. Hey, brother, Stormy Weather said, that's why I started ahead to say that I get a standby, bake.
And that right, no doubt about it, you got me locked in the corner too. I knew I could talk to you, no doubt about it. Stormy, take care. Have a super fine one. Your rival was out there earlier. I don't know if he's still listening or not. You know that Mr. Wilson, the next door guy that don't like kids. Hello to you, Stormy Weather, once again. Your buzz at Northwest Cold and I bang.
You're right, brother. Hey, brother, I appreciate it. You know, I really love it. I really love it when that means that the playground is safe. The playground is safe when the babies can come out and play. Hey, brother, then they have
No doubt about it. All right, Stormy, let me get on out. I think I'm plugging young T-Bird's ears, man. No doubt about it. With this 45 stretch 20-footer, no doubt about it. Stormy, take care. Have a super fine with Stormy, your buzzer, Northwest Corner. And I'm going to get quiet now, Stormy. Good day.
Really good copy. Hey, brother, I'm going to do the same. But if you make the hook up with young T-Bird, he know the name. I know him. He know me. Just tell him my wave. And he know that we not kin. But it is a friend on that end. Stormy with a pill.
And I will do, no doubt about it. I will mention your name, that you sent some friendly fives, no doubt about it. All right, Stormy. Stormy, I'm going to get on out of here, Stormy, your buzzer. I shut it off.
And brother, Stormy Weather's in the high chair watching the playground. I'm just reading the mail.
Stormy, if you hear the sound, I've already passed you. You missed the shadow. Stormy, buzzer. I'm home now. Good day.
Take care, young T-Bird in these windy Great Lakes is getting down.
And that right, young T-Bird, no doubt about it, man. Young T-Bird, that kept making Stormy told me to tell you hello to you, man. That kept making have my radio early. But young T-Bird, I'm going to get out of the way, man. I figured I was in your ears because I heard you when I was talking to Stormy. Young T-Bird, you take care. Young T-Bird, your buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon? Young T-Bird, good day.
Good evening to you, brother. Good evening to you, brother, before you back it up on that kind of digging in. T-Bird in the windy Great Lakes. Have a good weekend. I see you.
And that all right, young T-Bird in the windy Great Lakes. Keep on with the keeping on. Have a great weekend too. God loves you. Hey, young T-Bird, so does Buzzer. Young T-Bird, your buzz at Northwest Corner around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon, and I shut it off.
999 Hey, Razzle. This big foe, she asking. Hey, brother, I just wanted to say hello. I didn't tell you my brother, I'm waiting to shout to come over my house. Hey, brother, Northwest Corner, big bull, big horn, get out and go.
You say you seen that shadow? Come over your house and you had to key it down to say hello, Big Bull. Sure did. All right, Big Bull. You know, I always say, if you're just hearing the sound and you didn't see the shadow, I'm already home. Big Bull, take care. Appreciate the key down. You have a great weekend. God loves you, and so do I. Big Bull, Buzzard Bank.
Keep your eye on that, brother. Hey, brother, before I go, hey, brother, Stormy Weather, you tell old Big Bull that I can hear him in Oklahoma. Hey, brother, Stormy Weather, Big Bull deal back in the high chair. Hey, Buzzard, 20.
No doubt about it. All right, big boy. That kept making Stormy Weather Key. That kept making Mobile down and told me to tell you he could hear you down there where he at. That's what he said. Hey, big boy. That cat making Stormy Weather Key down. That cat making Mobile and told me to tell you that he could hear you where he at. All right, then, Stormy. All right, big bull. Let me get on out of here. Big bull, Stormy, your buzzard. I shut it off.
Tell I on that. Well, I ain't no match with him. I ain't no match with him. Hey, Buzzard, tell them both 23 said hello to him. Hey, Buzzard, 23 said tell them both I said hello to him. Hey, Buzzard, who said I couldn't walk this 4CX in the northwest corner? Hey, Buzzard, 23, 10-7. Hey, 9-9.
Stormy Weather. You and Big Bull, that cat maker 23 said, who said he couldn't walk that big cat maker he on in the northwest corner? He keyed up. All right, 23, Stormy Weather, Big Bull, let me get on out of here. Big Bull, I appreciate the flowers, man. You need to take some for yourself. I know that's for sure. Hey, Big Bull, Stormy Weather, 23, Buzz at northwest corner. I got to go now. I'm going to shut it off. I always say, if you just heard the sound, the shot already went by and I'm at home. Your buzzard and I bang. Hey, buzzard. Hey, big bull. You know me. Get on and go. As I end this gate, your buzz it up round the northwest corner and I bank all the way left now. Good day.